What's going on, everyone? This is George from Out of the Box Reviews, and this is the Divoom Timebox. The Divoom Timebox is a box-shaped pixel art Bluetooth speaker, and whether you're just looking for a funky alarm clock or for something to enhance your office desktop, this is one of the best options in the market. Let's see what we get in the box. On the packaging, we can see some information about the functions of the Timebox. In order to use the speaker, you'll need to download the Timebox app that's available on iOS and Android. The packaging is made out of hard cardboard and provides a nice unboxing experience. Inside the package there are two smaller boxes. The smaller one contains the manual, a USB charger cable and a 3.5mm audio jack cable. The bigger box contains the Timebox itself wrapped in a neat protective cover. Divoom offers the Timebox in a variety of colors, so you won't have any trouble matching it to your setup. As soon as you pick it up, you immediately feel the high quality of the materials used. The dimensions of the Timebox are 4.5 by 4.5 inches and the width is 2.1 inches. In the metric system, that means 11.4 by 11.4 centimeters and a little over 5 centimeters for the width. The Timebox has some weight on it, so it's not the most efficient portable speaker to carry around in your backpack. The protruding soft rubber buttons on the top make it easy to play music or answer calls, adjust the volume, skip tracks and changing the light mode. The front of the speaker is covered by a square-style panel that houses 121 RGB LED lights that offer 256 different colors in various levels of brightness. On the back, you'll see ports for the auxiliary in and out, as well as the micro USB port for charging. The Timebox has a 3-inch 5-watt speaker, and compared to other similar speakers, the sound quality is really good, although a bit heavy on the bass side. Here is a small sample. The battery life of the Timebox depends on how heavy is the usage of the speaker, so if you have your phone paired to the speaker listening to music and have animations playing on the panel, you're looking at about 3 hours. On the other side, if you're using the Timebox mainly as an alarm clock with a few notifications popping up from time to time, you're looking at about 6 to 9 hours. Of course, you can keep it plugged in all the time and never worry. Upon pressing the power on button, you are greeted by an animation which you can customize and the speaker goes directly to pairing mode. The clock synchronizes with your phone and you have the option between 12 and 24-hour time format. The Timebox can also display live information about the weather and temperature that gets directly from your phone. In the app, apart from the basic music mode, you have an FM tuner for which you need to connect the audio cable. The design mode, where you can create your own pixel art and also do animation. While if you're looking for pre-made pixel art, the gallery contains hundreds of them along with some pretty cool animations. My favorite by far is a sleep aiding mode, where you can set one of the relaxing sounds to help you fall asleep and program the alarm to gradually get louder for a more natural awakening. There is also a timer and a scorekeeper mode, 3 different settings for alarm, and a games menu with some kind of slots games, throw dice and a couple more. Lastly, the notification menu lets you configure which social media you want to get notifications from on your Timebox, in case your phone is not near you. But I can't really say if this is useful, mainly because I always keep my phone close to me. The Divoom Timebox is an attractive and very unique device. The audio quality combined with the features of a smart clock and the pixel art animations make it a great and fun gadget at a reasonable price. This was Out of the Box Reviews. If you enjoyed the video, consider to subscribe, thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave your comments and suggestions down below and see you next time with more exciting gadgets. And as always, thanks for watching.